Cloudbox is one of the leading IT solution service provider in the market. Currently, we are operating in UAE, and we have specialized team to do the consultation on the technology. Basically, we are talking about digital transformation, cloud, and security. So we talk about a solution which is apt and it is fitting for the customer. How to generate their business revenue out of the available technology in the market. So basically, we have three verticals within the company. One is infrastructure, one is cloud, and one is security. So infrastructure, we talk about all the hardware we deal with, which is like server storage, hyperconverged, and anything on comes to a data center. So that's a separate division altogether. And then we have a security division wherein we focus on the security. Security is actually both cyber security and the network security. So we have a lot to offer on cyber security. These days, there are lots of attacks happening. So we have tied up with prominent vendors in the market, wherein we provide solutions to the customers. And the third one is the cloud. So when we talk about cloud, we have private and public cloud. Wherein when we talk about private cloud, we are very competitive in the market, vis-a-vis AWS or Azure or anybody, you name it. In cloud, we do a cloud migration on and off-prem. We do cloud hosting, and then we have white label cloud hosted in Dubai. See, we actually talk about presenting Cloudbox as one of the unique service provider in the market. Service provider in terms of providing digital transformation to the customers, and we talk about cloud and security. So basically, we want to show the skills of our engineers, of our expertise, how we consult and how we provide solution. And that's the reason we are standing apart from other providers or system integrators in the market. So this is the platform where people can come and test, what are we? In terms of providing solution, what is Cloudbox doing? Something different which is not seen in other partners. So this is the right platform. We want to engage with the customer to show that our capabilities, our in-house capabilities, our technical skills, implementation skills, and consultation, and we are definitely going to be standing out compared to other people. So far, we are very successful in healthcare and education. These are the key places where we played a major role. And recently, we have entered into retail market space, wherein we have very specialized on the SAP implementation. SAP implementation in the sense we have partnered with prominent SAP implementation provider. So we are a certified SAP hardware provider, basically. So we have in-house capabilities to design the solution which fit into the reference architecture of SAP.